Hi, Little Xplorers. Let's learn about opposites. Big, small. Big and small. An elephant is big.
Big.
An ant is small.
Small.
Big and small.
Big and small.
Tall, short. Tall and short. The man is tall.
Tall.
The boy is short.
Short.
Tall and short.
Tall and short.
Fast. Slow. Fast and slow. The rabbit runs fast.
Fast.
The turtle goes slow.
Slow.
Fast and slow.
Fast and slow.
Hot. Cold. Hot and cold. The soup is hot.
Hot.
The ice is cold.
Cold.
Hot and cold.
Hot and cold.
In. Out. In and out. The cat is in the box.
In.
The cat is out of the box.
Out.
In and out. Wet. Dry. Wet and dry. The girl is wet. She is playing in the water.
Wet.
The clothes are dry. They are hanging in the air.
Dry.
Wet and dry.
Wet and dry.
Happy. Sad. Happy and sad. It's her birthday. She's so happy.
Happy.
Oh no, her ice cream fell. Now she's sad.
Sad.
Happy and sad.
Happy and sad.
Open. Close. Open and close. The window is open. Fresh air comes in.
Open.
The window is closed. No breeze can get in.
Close.
Open and close.
Open and close.
Empty. Full. Empty and full. The glass is empty. There's nothing inside.
Empty.
The glass is full of water.
Full.
Empty and full.
Empty and full.
Night. Day. Night and day. At night, the boy sleeps quietly in bed.
Night.
In the day, the kids play happily in the park. light is off. Now it's dark. Off. On and off.
On and off.
Loud. Quiet. Loud and quiet. Shout, shout. He's loud.
Loud.
Sit and write. He's a quiet child.
Quiet.
Loud and quiet.
Loud and quiet.
Heavy. Light. Heavy and light. The rock is heavy.
Heavy.
The leaf is light.
Light.
Heavy and light.
Heavy and light.
Up. Down. Up and down. One kid is up.
Up.
One kid is down.
Down.
Up and down.
Up and down.
Clean. Dirty. Clean and dirty. Look, Allie's clothes are neat and clean.
Clean.
Uh-oh, Omar's clothes are dirty.
Dirty.
Clean and dirty.
Clean and dirty.
Front. Back. Front and back. This is Zoe's front.
Front.
This is Zoe's back.
Back.
Front and back.
Front and back.
Soft. Hard. Soft and hard. Touch the pillow. It feels soft.
Soft.
Touch the rock. It feels hard.
Hard.
Soft and hard.
Soft and hard.
Sit. Stand. Sit and stand. Sandy sits calm and sweet.
Sit.
Joe stands tall on the chair.
Stand.
Sit and stand.
Sit and stand.
Thick. Thin. Thick and thin. The book is thick. It has many pages.
Thick.
The pencil is thin, just right for writing.
Thin.
Thick and thin.
Thick and thin.
Near. Far. Near and far. The boy is near the house.
Near.
The school is far away.
Far.
Near and far.
Near and far.
Old. New. Old and new. These shoes when she is upset.
Cry.
Laugh and cry.
Laugh and cry.
Push. Pull. Push and pull. Amna pushes the big box.
Push.
Zane pulls the chair.
Pull.
Push and pull.
Push and pull.
Young. Old. Young and old. Omar is young.
Young.
Grandpa and Grandma are old.
Old.
Young and old.
Young and old.
Left. Right. Left and right. The arrow points to the left.
Left.
The arrow points to the right.
Right.
Left and right.
Left and right.
Strong. Weak. Strong and weak. She is strong. She can lift a heavy weight.
Strong.
The old lady is weak. She needs help to walk.
Weak.
Strong and weak.
Strong and weak.
Healthy. Sick. Healthy and sick. The boy is healthy.
Healthy.
Oh no! The kids are sick. Healthy and sick.
Healthy and sick. Yes.
No. Yes and no. Mama says, yes, you can have a cookie.
Yes.
Papa says, no, no more candies.
No.
Yes and no.
Yes and no.
Top. Bottom. Top and bottom. Look, the cat is sitting on the top of the shelf.
Top.
Here is my toy basket at the bottom of the shelf.
Bottom.
Top and bottom.
Top and bottom.
Awake. Asleep. Awake and asleep. Oh, the baby is awake and drinking milk.
Awake.
The baby is asleep, quiet and still.
Asleep.
Awake and asleep.
Awake and asleep.
Fat. Thin. Fat and thin. The panda is fat. Oh, so cute.
Fat.
Wow, the flamingo is so thin.
Thin.
and thin.
Fat and thin.
High, low, high and low. Look, the monkey hangs high in the tree.
High.
The bunnies sit low on the soft green grass.
Low.
High and low.
High and low.
Beautiful, ugly. Beautiful and ugly. The butterfly is beautiful, so bright and colorful.
Beautiful.
Ew! The trash bin is so ugly and stinky.
Ugly.
Beautiful and ugly.
Beautiful and ugly.
Hope learning opposites was fun. Huh, keep exploring.